Can't nobody feel the sad that we are living at all. How is it true the fact that you can see I'm living at all? So let's imagine going no mistake or slipping at all. And I don't wanna leave the truth as soon as saying it's right. And artificially believing and just saying it's right. I don't know what I'll be